An adjustment layer in Adobe Premiere Pro is a powerful tool used to apply effects to multiple clips at once. Hi, I am Tanbir Masood from Play Basic. It works as a layer that sits above your video clips on the timeline. Here's how you can use an adjustment layer in Premiere Pro. Creating and using an adjustment layer. Create an adjustment layer. In the project panel, click the new item button. It looks like a piece of paper with a folded corner. Select adjustment layer. In the dialog box that appears, make sure the settings match your sequence settings and click OK. Add the adjustment layer to the timeline. Drag the newly created adjustment layer from the project panel onto a track above your video clips in the timeline. Resize the adjustment layer to cover the clips you want to apply effects to. Apply effects. Select the adjustment layer on the timeline. Go to the effects panel and choose the effects you want to apply. Example, color correction, blur, etc. Now search Lumetri, color and drag the chosen effects onto the adjustment layer. Adjust the effect settings in the effect controls panel as needed. You can also go to the window panel, color or press Alt plus Shift plus 5. Then edit, basic correction, choose auto, and now you've done one-click color grading applied to multiple clips in the timeline in your sequence. Benefits of using adjustment layers. Efficiency: apply the same effect to multiple clips at once. Flexibility: easily turn effects on or off by toggling the visibility of the adjustment layer. Non-destructive: original video clips remain unaltered and you can modify or remove effects without affecting the clips directly. Tips for using adjustment layers: stack multiple adjustment layers. You can use multiple adjustment layers for different effects, which helps in organizing your workflow. Use keyframes. You can keyframe effects on an adjustment layer for dynamic changes over time layer order. Effects on adjustment layers affect all clips beneath them. The order of layers can impact how effects are applied. Adjustment layers are a versatile feature in Premiere Pro, helping streamline your editing process and maintain a non-destructive workflow. Happy creating! Thanks for watching. Till then, take care.